Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Minecraft and you keep getting this error on your PlayStation 5, error code drowned, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code drowned on Minecraft on your PlayStation 5 easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your games library, and now once you're in your games library, now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto the options button on Minecraft on your controller. Once you click onto that, now first you're going to click on to check for updates here at the top. After you're done clicking check for updates, it will look for any updates of the game, and if it finds any updates, it will update your game. After you're done with that, you're going to click onto that options button on Minecraft again, and this time you're going to go into restore license. Once you go into restore license, it will tell you that it will close the game to restore the license, so just click on to restore here. After that, it will start restoring the license of Minecraft. Once you're done with restoring the license, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and disconnect your internet from your PlayStation 5. So either turn on airplane mode or just disconnect your internet or your Wi-Fi. Wait for a minute or two and then restart your PlayStation 5. So turn it off and turn it back on again. And now you can try connecting the Wi-Fi. And once you're done connecting the Wi-Fi, now you can go ahead and try to play Minecraft, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error code anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.